What's up, guys? What's going on? Just pulled up to the house and partner's here. Got some workers here. Everybody's here today, except for me. I just actually got here. I got here to shoot a video to show you guys, what's going on. So it's been about 2 weeks now since purchase of this home, and yeah, let's go through it. I'm gonna show you guys, what's going on, and you guys will see some of the changes from the previous video. Well, first glance, you guys can notice that the roof got a whole new roof up there, which looks way better. The garage guys came. They measured this all out, measured everything out here. So I'm gonna get a garage door here instead of just a carport. Guys took out the window earlier today. Got a new window in there. Let's go inside. Yeah, so I mean, you guys can see that those are the cabinets, and all the walls are all painted, all one color this time, not 50 different colors. Kitchen looking great. We don't have those black cabinets anymore. We got the white cabinets. Cabinets have all been sprayed. We got those old countertops. We're gonna change those out. Gonna salvage that. Try to salvage that fridge and the stove, definitely. Got everybody here in attention. That beautiful lady. Washer and dryers out of there. You can see the hallway. The ceilings are all painted. The bathroom. This is one of the rooms. It's finally one color. This room, if you guys remember before, had like 3 different colors. This is the master bedroom. Finally all one color. Can't wait to get the light fixture in here, because right now it doesn't have any light. But bathroom, gonna just refresh that up as well. This is the back room. And yeah, I mean, you guys could see, we got that whole gray white theme going on, because gray and white sells. People just seem to love it. It's pretty much a neutral color. These ceilings look great though. We got all the doors off. The guys are working on the back deck now. That's why you see all that wood inside. Let's go check out the back deck. Ooh, look at this. They got new benches. Man, this is night and day compared to what it was before.
We appreciate it. It's a team effort, dude. When you got somebody good working with you, you can get some stuff done.
Oh yeah.
That'll look a lot better we're hoping by this afternoon.
Oh, the stairs?
It's very quickly. Yeah, we're gonna build a new landing, do 6 stairs into a landing at the bottom.
All right.
Be a lot more secure than what it was. Replace all your
I gotta
top
ask
cap.
Chris what we're gonna do with that old little garage door thing there.
I don't know if you want to try to do the sides up or just smash it. It could be another selling point if you redo
It's a good little
side,
like
right?
dog house. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It keeps the dogs out of the rain.
I wish I was able to actually take it to my house.
I don't think it'd make a transfer.
It ain't gonna make it. It's gonna fall apart.
And isn't that little chicken coop down there part of this too?
Yeah. Yep. What's up, guys? Just continue doing some vlogging for today. We at Home Depot, contract to pick up stuff. Got this lady here. Hey lady, say something for the camera. Say something for the camera. She got her head bouncing and she not. She got her head bouncing. Now she not saying that to nobody. It's all good, whatever. Going to Home Depot and buy some wood. But I gotta put this camera down, guys, because I think I found my piece of wood that I need. I need one of these. I need a pressure treated 2x8, $14. But yeah, let me grab one of those. See you guys outside. Alright, so got the 2x4, no, 2x8 by 10 pressure treated wood for outside by the back deck area. And that's it, you know, just pushed it right through the back. Love this truck, you know. This truck is like mandatory for these things. Got my driver. Yo, driver!
Stop at all.
Oh, Shana, stop at that. Anyway, guys, let's roll back to the house. Get this piece of board back on the house. All right, guys. So that's the 2 weeks project. You know, so far, really far. You know, deep into this, and yeah, I mean, you know, should be done probably in like another week and a half at most. And get this house back on the market. So stay tuned for the end result. You know, stay tuned for the before and after. But I love the before and after. You know, when you see these transformations of these homes, you're like, wow, that's pretty amazing. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, you know, like, subscribe, share this post. See you guys on the next one. Peace.